Laws of exponent. Law number 2. Multiplication law of exponents. X power of m times x power of n equals x power of m plus n. If we multiply two numbers with the same base, we add the exponents. The base remains the same. For example, a power of 5 times a power of 6. Since we have the same base, we only copy the base and then add the exponents. So our answer is a power of 11. Next one. 3b power of 3 times 4b power of 7. So we have to multiply 3 and 4, which is 3 times 4, and then copy the base b, and then add the exponents. Our answer is 12b power of 10. As simple as that, as easy as it is. This is Conquer TV. Thank you very much.